Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to wire transfer funds to Interactive Brokers step by step. First, log into the Interactive Brokers client portal at interactivebrokers.com. Once you're logged in, you'll see the client portal homepage. Next, click on Transfer and Pay in the top navigation bar, then click Transfer Funds. An account selector will pop up. If you have multiple accounts, select the one you want to deposit into. You can use the search function to find it quickly. Once you've selected your account, click Continue. Now, you'll see the main Transfer Funds page. Click on Deposit Funds. This will take you to the Deposit Method selection screen. On this screen, you'll see several deposit methods. Click Use a new deposit method, then select Bank Wire from the list. The Bank Wire deposit form will open. In the Bank Information section, you'll see a toggle asking if you want to save your information for future deposits. Select Yes. Then enter your sending institution name and give it an account nickname. This saves the details so you won't have to re-enter them next time. Now select your currency from the dropdown, for example, USD. Once you've selected the currency, look for a button labeled Get Instructions or something similar. Click it to load the wire instructions page. This is the important part. The page shows all the details you need to give your bank when you initiate the wire transfer. You'll see the beneficiary bank account number, the ABA routing number, and the SWIFT or BIC code. You'll also see the beneficiary name, which is Interactive Brokers LLC. The most critical piece of information is the reference or message to beneficiary field. This is where your Interactive Brokers account number goes. Write down your account number exactly as shown. Your bank needs to include this in the wire transfer so Interactive Brokers can match the deposit to your account. Take a screenshot of this page or write down all the details. There should be a confirmation option to complete the notification in the client portal. Now go to your bank either online or in person and initiate the wire transfer. Give them the Interactive Brokers receiving bank details you just saved, including your account reference number. The name on your bank account must match the name on your Interactive Brokers account exactly, or the deposit will be rejected. Once your bank processes the wire, it usually takes 1 to 4 business days total for the funds to appear in your Interactive Brokers account. Wires are typically the fastest funding option. To check if your deposit has arrived, log back into the client portal. You'll see the transfer on your start page, or you can check transaction history. The deposit amount will show in your account balance once it's processed. 3 things to note. First, the bank account you're wiring from must be in your own name and match your Interactive Brokers account name. Exactly, name mismatches are the most common cause of rejected deposits. Second, Interactive Brokers doesn't cover fees your bank charges for wire transfers. Third, deposited funds are subject to a withdrawal hold period. You can trade immediately, but withdrawals are restricted until the hold ends. That's it. See you in the next one.